What's going on, you guys? I hope you're all having a great morning, afternoon, or evening, whenever you may be watching this video. If we take a look at my phone, you'll see it's Wednesday, August 6th today, otherwise known as National 86 Day. For the past couple years, I've always tried to do something awesome to celebrate it. 2 years ago, I went to a massive car meet that was all 86s, BRZs, and FRSs, and it was a really awesome turnout. Last year, I went on a pretty big road trip where I went to a few different places like Jacksonville to hang out with my buddy Brandon, otherwise known as B11 on YouTube. And afterwards, I went to the Tail of the Dragon to experience what that's like driving it in my 86. Even if we can't make that road trip just quite yet, I still wanted to do something awesome to celebrate today, and I figured what better than to go hang out with a bunch of other 86 and BRZ enthusiasts. But before we can do that, you may have noticed this brand new set of tires that I have sitting right here. These are a set of Continental Extreme Contact Sport 02s, and I got them in 245/35 R18. It's pretty much the same setup that I have on the car right now, except for the fact that these tires are Extreme Contact DWS06 Pluses. A lot of people have told me some really great things about these tires, and I'm really excited to see how they're gonna perform on the car. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and get the 86 all raised up into the air now. That way we can get these wheels taken off. And I'm gonna go ahead and load everything into my dad's car because it's definitely not gonna fit in mine. And we'll take it up to a shop to have these new tires mounted. Now that is a good sight to see right there. Let's see if this thing closes though. I'm hoping it does. It is really tight. Come on, give it to me. Nice. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and leave the 86 here, and then we'll hop in my dad's car and we'll head to the tire shop. Alright, so I just pulled up to the tire shop right now. I'm gonna go ahead and get all the wheels and tires unloaded out of the car and go run inside and get everything paid for. And then, depending on if I can or not, I'll maybe try and see if I can get some clips of them mounting the tires onto the wheels. We just got all the tires dropped off. It's probably gonna be about an hour or so wait. So I'll just pick up the camera once all the tires are mounted onto the wheels. All right, so we just made it home right now. I'm gonna go ahead and get the wheels taken out of the car and get them thrown back onto the 86. It's kind of hard to see right now just because it's so dark out, but dang, these tires are so nice. I can't wait to see how they're gonna feel. Good morning, you guys. It's officially the next day. I got the wheels and tires mounted back onto the car and they feel great. However, I wasn't able to get in alignment just yet. So that's definitely something that I'm gonna need to do at some point, because if you take a look at the rear wheels, they look like they're towed out a little bit and there's not as much camber as there usually was. So I definitely need to get my 86 on the alignment rack and see if we can get this dialed in. It should be fine. I'm not gonna really do too much driving, so I'm not really too worried about it. Let's go ahead and get the 86 put out onto the driveway. That way we can let it start up and warm up for a few minutes, and then we'll go ahead and head out to the car show. Pretty early still. I'm pretty sure it started at 2, but as you guys can see right now, it's kind of raining out, so I don't know how good of a turnout it's going to be, but I'm hoping some people at least still show up and whatnot. So go ahead and just pick up the camera once we get there. Unfortunately, as you guys can see, it started raining pretty bad.
1 hour later.
Thankfully, all the rain stopped, but we're gonna go ahead and head out now to the second location. Full lineup right here of all the 86s, some behind us too. Bro, what a good turnout. I'm glad people still ended up showing up even though it rained. initial meetup spot that pulled up to the second spot. So I'm gonna go ahead, kind of get out and just kind of show you guys around and see all the other cars that we didn't already see. And then I'll probably stay for another 15-20 minutes and then head out of here. We got a K20, K24 swapped FRS with a giant turbo on that. He was saying it makes like around 400, which, oh my gosh, this probably absolutely rips. It looks really sick too. It's like track built, like orientated. I think it looks really nice. Yeah, I know. This car honestly sounds really good. I really like the way it sounds. We got another Neptune 86 right here. He's been in the videos a few times before. Of course, my car's on empty, so we had to hit up the E85 gas station, grab some gas real quick. Let's see how much it costs for a full tank on E85. I'm guessing probably like 33-ish, because I was pretty much fully empty. Oh, what did I say? 3201. Oh my gosh. That's pretty much where I'm going to wrap it up for today's video. If you enjoyed and want to see more videos like this, please make sure you guys give it a like down below. It helps me out so much. Subscribe if you're new. That way you can stay up to date on all the content that I post with my 86, just like this. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Peace.